In our recent session, we asked trade professionals which word best describes supplier relationships and compliance related to supply chain tracing. Here are some of the words they came up with: complicated, overwhelming, non-existent, crazy, intense, and complex. Since trade professionals' jobs have been expanding to include forced labor and supply chain tracing, which is complicated and overwhelming, how do we make sure we have the most up-to-date information and we understand the law?
The answer is sign up for our unmatched course, Supply Chain Tracing with emphasis on forced labor compliance, offered by Global Training Center.
This is a comprehensive training which will provide a nuanced understanding of forced labor through a multidisciplinary approach, integrating history, custom standardization and enforcement, moral and ethical debates, and practical applications, which will equip participants with a deep understanding of the challenges and complexities of addressing forced labor in our global supply chains. Throughout the course, participants will engage in interactive workshops and activities, develop a practical understanding of best practices, supplier relationships, technology and tracing tools, and responding to WRO and UFLPA detentions. Included in your registration fee is our new community, Simply Trade Peers. This community will be a beta version upon kickoff, where you will have automation demos available to you and keep up to speed on forced labor and all things trade compliance. What are you waiting for? Registration is open now, and the first session is August 21st at 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Central Time. Sign up now, don't wait until it's too late.